If you're experiencing the cloud save error 2025 in PUBG, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and restore your game progress. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page to ensure that the servers are up and running. If there are any ongoing maintenance or outages, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches and connection issues that may be causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, for example, to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix the error. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your network, or try using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. Step 5. Reconfigure cloud save settings. Go to the settings of your game launcher and ensure that cloud saving is enabled. If it is already enabled, try disabling it and then re-enabling it to refresh the connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2025 in PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.